question in front of you. Here we have a quadrilateral and its angles are 50 degree, 130 degree, 120 degree, and this is x. These are the questions from class 8th. So how can we find the value of x? So how can we do this question? By taking that property, the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral. See, it has four arms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we know this is a quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Having four sides. So this is a quadrilateral. So what is the measurements of the angles of a quadrilateral? It is 360 degree. So sum of four angles of a quadrilateral. This is angle x, angle y, angle z. So by using this property of quadrilateral, its four angle sum is 360 degree. How can we do this question? Taking to be as its first angle as x, another is 50 degree, another is 130 degree, next is 120 degree, and that is whole sum is equal to 360 degree. ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And whenever you add all these terms, 130 plus 120, this is 250 degree, and this is 50 degree, and plus this is equal to 360 degree. So whenever you add this, it will be 300. So that is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 300 degree. So what you get? You get 60 degree. So then we can say x is 60 degree. Now how we can do this question? All these are from 8th class. So how can we find this, the value of x, z, x, y, and z? So this is a triangle, as you see, x, y, z, all these vertices make a triangle. So we know this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree. Let us consider this is angle theta. So sum of three angles of a triangle we all know, that is 180 degree. So you take 90 degree plus 30 degree plus angle theta या फिर angle q, whatever you want to take, that is equal to 180 degree. Property कारण क्या लिखोगे? What are you write here? Sum of three angles of a triangle. So this is our property. So whenever you add all these angles, so this is 180 degree minus 120 degree. So 120 degree, what you get? 60 degree. So in this way, this angle is above 60 degree. So now we can find angle z, x, and y. So how can we find this angle x? Consider this line as a straight line. So sum of angle x plus angle 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So you write here angle x plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. कारण लिखेंगे, you all write down the reason, linear pair. क्या बन रहा है यहाँ पर? Here we have a linear pair. What is linear pair? Angle formed along a straight line. Consider this as a straight line and this is a point. Now here we have two angles are formed and these angles are cut by this axis, which is known as the y-axis. So the sum of these two angles is always equal to 180 degree, and this is called as linear pair. So angle x is equal to 180 minus 90. So angle x is equal to 90 degree. In this way we find x. Similarly we find z. Consider this axis as a straight line and here we have a one point. And here it will be a linear pair, this plus this, z plus 30 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, Consider this xy axis as a straight line and this is a point, and here we have two angles 60 plus y, and that is also is equal to 180 degree. So we find our angle y. So how can we find this z? We can write here z plus 30 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, and angle z is equal, you write here reason, because this is a linear pair. This is a linear pair. Angle z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree, and here we have 150 degree. So angle z is equal to 150 degree. So in this way angle z is 150 degree. Similarly, we find our angle y. Consider this as a straight line as we discussed above. So angle y plus 60 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Always write down the reason. What is the reason? This is linear pair. So angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So here we have 120 degree. So in this way our angle y is 120